See, this is the final floor. Still did not finish that one. Still did not finish because I am running out of money now. Because of designing problems in the new machine, I still did not get one egg try from the new machine. I made modification in the old one, and I put this one, the new you have given. I put it there, and I'm using that old machine. This one is still not working until now. I'm using the old one. See this? So the level of the water is here. Okay? See this one? Very small. The mud comes till this side. When this goes down, the mud comes out from all the sides.